This hair is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I am absolutely in love with this hair.
So getting into the install, make sure you stick around because there is a review to this hair coming up right after these couple clips. So I'm just showing you how I went ahead and I laid my wig cap down. I did use the freeze spray, the Gots to Be Glue freeze spray. And I'm also going to show you how I put my wig on. This is the first time that I've ever used lace adhesive. So this is the Esha lace wig adhesive glue. It does come with the glue as well as a remover. The remover made it so easy for you to take off. I heard, keyword heard, that this waterproof, but I did not use it while swimming or anything, so I can't even give you an example of that. But one thing that I can say is this is long lasting. It dried extremely fast, and it didn't leave a mess, and that's one thing that I absolutely loved about it. It was able to dry fast and it didn't leave a mess, and I was good to go. I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box. Also, I didn't have any problems with it sticking to my edges. One thing I can say is make sure if you're going to use the actual glue, make sure you're putting it more so on your forehead versus your edges, because you do not want to yank your edges out. And when glue attaches to the hair, it's a mess. It's an absolute mess. So just avoid doing that if you're going to use this glue. I recommend it honestly because it lasts. With Gots to Be Glue, when you start sweating, the lace starts shifting and it starts moving because of course Gots to Be Glue comes off with water. So any type of liquid is going to shift. So I like this method with this glue.
Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. Absolutely in love with this hair. I can't even speak the way that I would like to. Hold on one second, let me turn this YouTube off. Good music playing. Anyways, back to this video. This hair is from Wiggins Hair. I have in 3 bundles. In a frontal, I have it a 24, 20, I have in a 24, 22, 20 inch and an 18 inch frontal. I will definitely let you know what all of the specs are down in the information box because I believe this is a loose wave texture, and I believe that those are the lengths that I got. Please don't hold me to it because I can't even remember right now and I can't find my notepad with everything in it. Absolutely in love with this hair, you guys. I bleached the knots on this hair flawless. They bleach extremely well and fast. One thing I loved is when I rinsed the bleach out and I washed and I conditioned the frontal, it stayed the same. Look at this curl pattern. I have been running into that problem with so many different hair companies. I would wash the frontal or the closure and then the bundles wouldn't match, y'all. After I made the wig, so again, I just washed and conditioned the frontal. I didn't even get a chance to wash the bundles. And I was like, you know what? It doesn't really have a bad smell to it. Maybe I don't have to wash it. So I didn't wash it. And I was like, I want to see how it looks with, of course, the washed and conditioned frontal and the regular bundle straight out of the pack. Y'all, the same. Absolutely the same. I did not wash the bundles in the back. Hair smells so good. All I did was do my curly hair routine and I went ahead and put the products in the hair and that was it. I didn't even have to add any oil to the hair. Look at the luster and the shine of this hair. And look at how well the frontal just matches with, oh my gosh, I can't even talk. I love this hair. Look how well the frontal matches with my skin complexion. Now I did have to go in and add foundation to the lace, but that's a given because they come in a standard color. Well, some of them are tinted, but this one wasn't really that tinted, but it was pre-plucked. I did not have to pluck anything. I didn't have to pluck anything. I didn't have to cut anything. I didn't cut any baby hairs. I didn't do anything to it. So if you ask me, this hair is perfect for my ladies that are beginners at wigs and frontals, and it's perfect for that get up and go hair. Like, just looking at this hair, I can just get up and go. Just make sure that you always tie your frontal down. But after you tie your frontal down, girl, you can get up and go. Shake this hair in the morning after you take off your bonnet. Definitely make sure that you're sleeping in a bonnet or at least a silk I was about to say suitcase, at least a silk pillowcase. It's the only way that you can really keep your curly hair up to par. Definitely in love with this hair. I would give this hair a 20 out of 10, 100 out of 200. Listen, it's exceeded all of my expectations. I don't even really know what to say. So y'all let me know what y'all think of this down in the description box. Any comments that you have, as long as they're not negative, anything that you may have that you want to say, put it down in the comment section. Y'all know I love to interact with you all. So I'll see y'all in the next video.